Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Veterans Day is a time to honor and give back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a special Veterans Day discount in Shopify so your store can celebrate the occasion in a meaningful way. Before going to this video part, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I have used Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify app store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out and follow along. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel. Now click on create new discount and choose the discount type as discount code and add a discount code as Veterans Day or Veterans 50 and add a discount of let's say 50 and a capping amount of 300 or so. Now I can apply the discount for all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. For now, I am adding it for all the products. Now I can check, like I can set the minimum purchase requirement here. I am just adding a minimum purchase requirement as 1000 for now. So this code will be available only for the cart value more than 1000. And I can also set some customer eligibility. I can either set this code apply for all the customers or some customers having some tag like the VIP or something like that, or only for on first order. For now, I am adding it for all the customers. I can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total, and I can also limit to one use per customer. Like I can make this discount can be used for the customer only one time. And I can also set some start date or end date through which this discount code is active, like 1 week of Veterans Day or only on Veterans Day. Like that, I can set up the date and time here. Now I can combine the discount code with the existing codes like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. After adding all the details, I am saving. Now I'm checking whether the discount code is got activated. Now you can see that from the discount section, the Veterans 50 is got activated. Now we can check the setup in our online store. I'm adding a product of worth 749. I'm applying our code here. Now you can see that it's not applicable for this products, but because we have already set up some criteria for the minimum purchase and it's not satisfied. Now I'm checking with some other products. Let's choose this product of worth 5000. Now let's apply the discount code as Veterans 50 here. Now you can see that the code has got applied successfully and a capping amount of 300 is detected from the MRP, which means that the discount has got activated and the customer will not be getting any value more than the capping amount, even if the discount percentage is higher. And that's how you set up a Veterans Day discount in Shopify. Grab the app link from the description and create your own offer to show appreciation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the upcoming seasonal hacks. Thanks for watching.